First of course, there's a big disappointment.
Pertama ada kekecewaan besar.
We also have high expectation.
Kita punya ekspektasi tinggi
about the game.
Tentang pertandingan.
And one part we fulfilled, but one part we didn't.
Satu bagian kita bisa lakukan, satu bagian lagi tidak.
I think what we already spoke about also in the preparation, and like we did last year, we dominated. We will dominate games.
Kita bicara juga kayak di persiapan, kita akan dominasi pertandingan.
And at the end, you don't get any points for ball possession or whatever.
Pada akhirnya kita nggak dapat poin dari ball possession.
I think the strength of Malut was also known as the transition.
Kita tahu kekuatan Malut adalah di transisi.
And the first goal was transition. The second goal was individual mistake, and the third one, the penalty, was also from transition.
Gol pertama transisi, gol kedua kesalahan individu, gol ketiga transisi juga.
So let us be a big lesson for us.
Jadi semoga ini jadi pelajaran besar buat kita.
It's one game, but again the expectations were high.
Ini hanya satu pertandingan, tetapi ekspektasi kan tinggi.
I think we were killed by transition moments.
Kita dibunuh dengan.
And I must say the first half, because the left and the right back of Malut didn't press on the opponents.
Babak pertama tadi dia harus bilang kiri kanan Malut nggak press.
We played a little bit too much inside.
Kita main terlalu banyak ke dalam.
And I said halftime also it's no. We will have, I think, if we do it in the right way on the side with overlaps and depth, then we can recover the 1-0.
Dengan cara yang baik kita bisa ada kedalaman dan segala macam, bisa recover 1-0 tadi.
We played 2 minutes and then we already get Wahyu made mistake, but he know himself.
Tapi kita bikin kesalahan, Wahyu yang bikin salah.
And it was 2-0.
Habis itu jadi 2-0.
It was, I think, also mental for our team, a difficult one.
Secara mental sulit buat kita.
And of course you take more risks.
Habis itu ya kita ambil resiko lebih.
I think we created. It's strange because it was 3-0 10 minutes before the end.
Aneh, walaupun 3-0 10 menit.
I still had the feeling that we could score 3 goals.
Kita masih ada feeling kita bisa cetak 3 gol.
And yeah, that's very strange. But okay, after the 3-1 we get some opportunities.
Habis itu skor 3-1 ada beberapa peluang.
If you score one of those opportunities, I am convinced we also score 3-3.
Kalau kita bisa selesaikan peluang itu jadi 3-2, bisa aja jadi 3-1.
But again, we get killed by transition.
Tapi akhirnya kita dibunuh dengan transisi.
That's the quality of Malut.
Itu kekuatan dari Malut.
Very strong.
Mereka kuat.
Runners.
Mereka punya pelari.
Physically.
Secara fisik.
To hold the ball.
Mereka kuat pegang bola.
And that's also a way of playing.
Itu juga cara main.
And it's a different style of playing, but
beda cara main dengan kita.
Okay. If you score 3 goals,
tapi kalau kalian cetak 3,
that's a good choice.
Itu pilihan bagus.
And we have to learn from this game.
Kita harus belajar dari pertandingan ini.
But you play in your own stadium the first game on the spectators.
Tapi kalau kita main di stadion kita di depan supporter.
That's all package is disappointing.
Ya, secara paket penuh ya mengecewakan.
It was difficult game.
Pertandingannya sulit.
Because
they
score fast.
Mereka cetak golnya cepat.
And we are rushed to score and then they can counter attack.
Ya, kita tidak bisa cetak gol, mereka serangan balik.
But for me, this game is finished.
Tapi buat saya game ini udah selesai.
We can focus in the next game.
Kita bisa fokus ke pertandingan selanjutnya.
But also for him, it was a very difficult game.
Juga buat dia ini pertandingan sulit.
It's a player who needs space.
Dia pemain yang butuh ruang.
And he started in the middle together with Egi.
Dia mulai di tengah dengan Egi tadi.
But after 50 minutes already put him outside because there were too many players in the middle.
Setelah 15 menit ditaruh keluar karena terlalu banyak orang di tengah.
And again, he needs space, and to judge him on this game, I think it's too easy.
Dia butuh ruang. Jadi kalau kita judge di pertandingan ini
for me, he's a very talented player.
Buat pelatih dia pemain yang bertalenta.
And he's open to learn.
Dia terbuka buat belajar.
he's open to he works hard
Dia
in the
terbuka
training
untuk kerja
also.
keras di latihan juga.
So I have this year I have expectation for him.
Jadi juga dia punya ekspektasi lah buat dia.
But I understand if you watch the game,
Kalau kau nonton
then you think,
pertandingan,
but it was very difficult for the midfield players.
itu sulit buat pemain Belanda.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya Bola Spotter.